This tick you hear is a combustible gas detector, basically a natural gas detector, propane detector. It starts to blink more rapidly as it smells gas. What you're going to notice, if I place the sniffer right there and I fire the boiler, which I'm going to do by jumping out a zone, now it's sucking in, so it's sucking in the clean air. Ignition, puff out. It actually failed to light at that point. I'm going to put this a little closer so you can get a better reading. See if it tries to light again. Trying again. Ignition. Nope. Still in post purge. Ignition. That rumble is a poor tune. It did manage to light that time. With no natural gas backdraft. Initially, when I pulled the cover, all I smelled was gas, which led me to do this. You can see how dirty the Venturi is inside. I suspect that the burner mesh is foul, along with a combustion out of tune. I'm gonna hit it one more time to see if it lights again. We'll pull the call for heat. Post purging. And we're gonna give it a call again. You can see the ticks have gone down because it's pulling so much fresh air from the basement. Ignition, small puff back. It did ignite on this attempt. So it has had almost 2,000 failed ignition attempts. It's had 1 minute, 0 minutes to its previous error, 7 minutes to another error. So it's definitely, even though it's working, it's still erroring out and giving you that 5 attempts before it will lock. So if it doesn't ignite, it's going to try for 5 more times. If it can't ignite on that 5th time, that's when you're going to get the lockout. So you're still getting failed ignitions. Burner mesh, Venturi has to be cleaned. Today I'm going to clean the igniter and the flame rod. That will give you successful ignitions. However, the boiler, I can't say for sure, but I highly doubt it has ever been cleaned. That Venturi looks original. The amount of dust inside of there, and this has a fine mesh burner, almost like an infrared burner on a grill. And when that gets fouled, the initial pulse of ignition can't pass through that mesh fast enough down through this exhaust and up and out, it comes back through this venturi. The way these boilers work is this gas valve is either on or off, and it's modulating how much gas flow is taken in by fan speed. The faster the fan spins, the more gas it will suck out. So when that boiler ignites and gives you that rumble, that boom, it's actually blowing back through the fan and out this venturi. That's why when I pulled the cover off, I could smell so much gas.